everyone, and welcome back to a new analysis video on StrongBlock. We'll be analyzing what happened on March 29th and where I see future pricing for StrongBlock, and with everything that they have in place, hopefully reaching a newer, higher levels for StrongBlock with the stronger token and some of its quick announcements that they come out with. Okay, so I hope you guys like these types of videos and analysis, and let's stay in touch and see what StrongBlock has for us. And if we take a look at StrongBlock for its Twitter, so right now we are currently at 442, okay? 442K for Strong, okay? And for March 29th, this was the announcement that they created. And it's very important to see that we have March 29th, Stronger token was minted. Great, amazing news, okay? And then also we see that there's a April 3rd, so keep that in your calendar. We're having a Discord voiceover, okay? And it's gonna be an AMA talking about everything, and it's gonna be 8 a.m., okay? Pacific time, okay? So just keep that in mind, have that in your calendar. And also April 4th, we're gonna have a Medium article talking about everything from the Stronger token, some of the updates, hopefully some of the things that came out with the AMA. And also from April 5th, we have an upgrade to Stronger Stress, okay? So talking about everything for Stronger, and potentially seeing what the price will react to it, okay? And I'm really bullish on these announcements, and I really hope that everything is doing well for the AMA that comes out on about April 3rd. Hope David is able to come out with great news for us, and potentially see price rally back up. Okay, so we're here another announcement, which is the same one retweeted from David Moss, and we also have here in the 30K of a Discord server and at StrongBlock. So this is amazing. Okay, project, we can see that project is growing. There's a lot of updates and a lot of things that they're doing for the project to be sustainable, and I really do see a lot of future for it. But now we take a look at the charts. Okay, I indicated that we had a heavy support. Okay, I stated that hopefully we don't break out of these zones, and in the announcements, and I wanted to see price break these levels here of downtrend of about 129. Okay, and then if we broke these types of levels, we could see a retracement back here to about 126 before reaching back to the lower time frame of about the resistance of about 139. Unfortunately, that didn't happen. Okay, we saw that with these prices, price went back down here to about 116 at these levels before creating another double bottom here. So it signaled that price didn't want to close below these levels here, and since we have another support here at these levels of about 109, so it's indicating that this support here is a premium level where we saw price wick back up, tested here. If you zoom in, it got tested here at about 121, which was the support level that we created before. Okay, so it went down to the levels of premium here where the price before recently rallied back up. So it touched these levels of support here and never closed under. Okay, so it wicked back up several times, which is indicating that there's bullish momentum and a lot of volume coming in, as we can see here, and the volume is increasing at these levels. And so price respected this zone, and then we are currently in the 1 hour seeing a bullish momentum here. Okay, so I believe since there's an AMA coming, there's a lot of hype, there's a lot of things going on, and a lot of investors are waiting for the AMA. And hopefully it doesn't do the same thing as with the announcement that they created, because I believe what people did was they found out the news and then they sold the news. Okay, and that's what happened, and we saw that price slowly went back down, but I still feel like there's a lot of fuel going for the AMA when it comes out, and I'm still keeping my hopes up, and hopefully we do see price since we are currently in the uptrend right now in the 1 hour. Just keep in mind, look at this wick here. Okay, so if we talk about a wick at these wick levels here of about 135, price went back up here. Okay, so this is also something I want to talk about. So there's another wick here, but price wicked up there again at these levels before coming back down. Okay, so we do see a lot of volume coming in, and as you can see here, look at this volume wick here. Okay, so price is still respecting these zones, but we were also very oversold, and at the Bollinger Bands, we were indicating that there was going to be a reversal. And so it touched these levels here. Okay, so this could have been a level that was targeted. Maybe there was some resistance here and order block that wanted to retrace back for the people who decided to sell. So just keep that in mind. Okay, this is a big level here, and we are seeing an ascending triangle here, and but keep in mind that We are also indicating in the MACD that there could be another reversal at these levels. So in the current days, I don't see why price shouldn't continue going upside, but at the same time, I could see price also breaking out of this uptrend here, to be honest, and retracing back here at about 135 before rebounding back at these levels here of about, let's see, 116, okay? So just keep in mind that there looks like to be a heavy support level here. So I still see price continuing back up, but there's also heavy support levels here and heavy resistance levels here as well. And if price does, since price already waked up here to these heavy resistance and rejected it, and I do believe that price we could see a little bit of a reversal here at the bearish momentum and maybe touch back here at about 116. Hopefully we don't break out of these levels before the announcement, which if it does get broken here, we would retrace back here at 116 before seeing another rebound here at the Bollinger level of oversold here and the resistance and support level here of about 109. So just keep that in mind. Hopefully that doesn't happen, and we're keeping our hopes up, okay? But hopefully, since this is an uptrend, there's still a lot of bullish momentum that's occurring. But I would like for price after the AMA that occurs, since this is the 1 hour, hopefully everything goes well. I would like for price to break out of these zones here, retest back at these levels, because this is very crucial. If it does retest back here at 136, we could see some potential rise to the upside, okay? Since this is heavy support levels, and if we can rate here a support level and break out of these resistance here, we could see a retracement back to 151, which is what I'm hoping for. I do have high hopes for David and the AMA that he's coming out with on April 3rd, and let's stay connected to see what happens. Alright guys, that's it for the analysis. I hope you like it, and stay blessed.